Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Cali Cat is down here at my feet. She's mad I just had her get out my lap so I could reach for this other box. Y'all, we're gonna open a Rocksbox today. Y'all know I love Rocksbox. It is a jewelry rental subscription. They send you 3 pieces of jewelry. You can keep it for as short or as long a time as you want. They charge you $21 a month, not a box, a month. You can get credited for any item you decide to keep within that month, that $21 back to you. But once that month runs up, that $21 is gone. Now, if you use my code or my link below, they do give you $25 forever credit that you can use whenever you want to. It doesn't expire. So if you use my link, I do really appreciate it. Thank you so very much. It does help me to keep bringing content to these videos. $21 a month, 3 pieces. You rent it. It's sanitized before it comes to you. You get to preview the pieces, by the way, so you can swap out pieces that you don't like. I normally just let them send everything to me because I'm very bad about what will look good and what will not look good on me. I'm not good at picking those out. I have to see it on me. So I like to just let them send what they want to send, and they normally do a pretty good job. Let me look and see if I have a Stylist Note. It says, "Hey Gina, we appreciate your honest feedback. No worries, we'll take note of that. For this set," what she's talking about is I told her that the earrings were too heavy from the last set. "For this set, I pulled you these lightweight earrings that I think you'll love to try. Add a little love to your everyday vibe with these sparkling adornment heart-shaped studs by Kendra Scott. They'll surely add a subtle sweetness to your fit in whichever metal matches your mood. This Sophie Harper triple stone wine necklace in gold offers a subtle style that will complete any look. This gold bracelet by SLATE is just enough chunkiness to add a bit of texture to your wrist lineup, a piece that works well on its own for a night out. I can't wait to hear your feedback on this set. Enjoy wearing everything, Rachel." So very cool. I do love that they give you a little note, and we're gonna look at the jewelry because this is what we're waiting on. Hi, Miss Cali Cat. Hi. You silly girl. Look at all that hair. I don't see how this child is not bald yet, because all that hair just comes out. That said, she doesn't clean herself properly because she's overweight. So we have her on a diet, and hopefully she'll start grooming herself better. If not, I think I'm gonna have to start bathing her or something, which I'm scared to death of. But yeah, all this stuff is back. What are you doing? Is there a cat treat in there or something? You think so? You want me to look? Oh, there it is. You're right. You were right, there was a cat treat in there. Silly kitty. Alright, so let's open it up and see what's in here. Okay, so the bag is resealable, so you put everything back in here to ship it back to the store. There's no checkout required. You can just ship back, unless you're going to keep something, and then you want to check out saying you want to keep that. He's going to come be in the video with us now.
Get all the cat fur out of the way.
Oh, I just rubbed a bunch off of him.
Howdy.
He didn't know what to do now. Okay, so they've redone the box, which is super cute. With the bumblebees. This side's upside down. These are
Keep going.
reusable, recyclable, cute little boxes. Hey, gorgeous. On the other side, it gives you all your care instructions. There is a section for the regular jewelry. There's a section for the demifying jewelry. They do, like I said, they sterilize it before it comes to you. And if you're going to clean it in any way, you wipe it off with the little baggies that it comes in. Hey, I just dug a treat out of there for you. Yeah. Is there another one in there?
What you doing?
So Here's
What
my
you
3
doing?
pieces of jewelry.
What is it? I see you. Yeah, you hadn't buttoned me.
There's the price sheet, and on the back is the return label. You just put the return label, you stick it right on top of the old return label. Everything in here, you're good to go. So, get some of the stuff out of my lap.
We're used to the headbutts. Yeah, we're used to the headbutts. See?
We get
I
a
know.
lot of those.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
She likes to headbutt my girls a lot. I don't know why.
Can you hear me out? Purring?
I can. I don't know if the camera can or not.
Miss Purr
Kendra
Machine.
Scott.
She likes her Kendra Scott, by the way.
I do like my Kendra Scott. They're so cute. They're teeny tiny little things. Oh my goodness.
I've heard more about Kendra Scott than I ever cared to know.
Remember, August I get one for half off.
It's a nice soft bag.
Well, yeah, you clean your jewelry with it. Look at the cuteness. I just said it a minute ago. You wasn't paying attention. Look at the cute little hearts. It's not focusing on them.
Yeah. I think she's trying to cover up my face. That's mama's girl right there. That's a mama's girl. Trust me. That's a mama's girl.
Yeah, you got your girl too. Where's
I
she
didn't
at?
say I
She's
didn't.
been bad girl today. Oh my goodness.
She's got an attitude like her daddy.
I think she's got worse attitude than you. She's so mean to Cali. So mean.
Come here, Furbo.
See, the only thing about it is I told them that those were too heavy for my ears, so they went to something that's not dangly, which I do love a dangly earring. I tend to go for them more than I go for little things like this, but this is really cute. Where'd my mirror go? She's not gonna come to you. You're not me.
I noticed.
Put the little
I'm
heart.
not good enough for her.
Super cute.
It's gotta be mama.
The hair.
That's a Cali.
Did I take this one out already? Yeah, we're gonna have to give her a bath or something, see if we can get rid of some of it.
Yeah. Y'all want to see a funny video?
I'll
just try to give a cat a bath.
They got bags you can put them in.
Oh yeah, that sounds real good. Let's stick the cat in the bag.
I'm serious, they do. It's like a mesh bag. That way you can scrub them down without them clawing you to death. It's truth. I mean,
I can see Peter having a field day with this one.
have you ever tried to bathe a cat?
There's a reason I've never tried to bathe the cat. I like my skin on my arms.
When I worked at the groom shop, the bather, the person who bathed the cats, put the cat in the tub. As soon as the water come on, the cat climbed up the wall. I mean, literally climbed up the wall to get away from that water. They would get scratched. Stop that. You're shaking me. What's she scratching?
Chair.
That chair?
This chair.
It's front of her scratching post. Anyway, okay. So,
I distracted her.
as a member, you do get a discount. The more you spend, the bigger discount you get. I'm at about 5% off, but on Kendra Scott jewelry, you don't get that discount. It's just the price. So this is the Airy Heart Crystal Stud Earrings in gold, $50. They'll be fun to wear for a little while. Anyway, moving on. Are these gold or silver?
Don't give me one too.
So they're gold, but with
Let's see.
the stones, it looks silver. It is gold in the middle.
It looks good. The outside looks gold, but you're right. All the little things make it kind of look shiny.
So this is the triple stone wine necklace in gold. I'm holding it upside down.
But to say that looks kind of funky.
Well, no, I just pulled it out the way it was. But
I know.
so there's the triple stones. It goes down
Is
to
your
a
hand big
single.
enough?
No, not
see.
long enough.
Let me see. Can I do it?
Probably not. I can't even see it on you.
Oh. Evidently, I'm not close enough. I'm not doing it right. Can y'all see the little thing flashing in there? You will do as I say you will do. No, I'm kidding, sorry.
Yeah, right. I'm gonna do what it says. He's going. No.
Mm-mm.
It has an extender on it. Let me get what I'm wearing off first.
You got it?
Yeah. The retail price on that necklace is $60. The member price would be $51.
Let's see here. All right, how do we operate this thing? You decide to leave with Cali Cat?
Oh, she's still in the same room. She's sitting over there.
She's jealous because I'm in here.
Yeah, you're in her chair.
Is that what it is?
Mm-hmm. She's been enjoying that chair.
I tell you how much she loves her cats, that her cat has his own chair.
I put the chair there for you.
Oh, you put the chair there for me, and the cat stole it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Look now.
What are you doing? Are you?
I'm trying not to get your hair all up in here, but it looks like you're going to get your hair
I
all
was
up.
trying to hold it up. Oh my goodness, look at all that hair on my shirt. Callie. Oh, there goes the
Now, I'm
hair.
sure there are some men that are good at putting necklaces on. I am not one of those men. There we go. He's on.
Did you put it loose or
I
tight?
put it where it was.
It's tangled, isn't it?
You did not give me instructions on how you want it tight or loose.
Let's see. I've got a tangling issue. Is it untangled? I can't see it. Yeah, okay.
I had to go get my glasses.
That's my issue. What do we think? It's very dainty. Very hangy downy.
Hangy downy.
Hangy downy.
We learn new words every day. See, we're in the South. We can do that. We make up our own words out down here. So
Yeah, I told you how much it was, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
On to the next, which is a SLATE bracelet.
a what?
A SLATE bracelet.
SLATE bracelet.
SLATE bracelet.
All right, I'm gonna show my idiot.
SLATE is the brand name.
Okay. So when you say SLATE bracelet, I'm thinking that thing's gonna come out with stone on it.
No, it's just a brand name. It is a stretchy. It's that chain link look.
Let me see it.
Don't you break it. You'll have to pay $46 for it. The retail price is $55. My price would be $46. So
Yeah, that thing is not good. Let's see here. Can y'all see that? It's shiny. It looks like a chain. Kind of feels like a chain. But it's got some stretchy stuff in the middle of it to make it. But these big hands, it won't work on. Maybe her little hands. Yeah, see? Just so y'all know a size
wrist.
difference. She had a ring that fit her middle finger, her biggest finger. It wouldn't fit my pinky. It'd only get down to about right here.
I think they know the difference in a man and a woman's hands.
Yeah, but I mean, when you're trying to size a bracelet and you want to know if it fits or
Well,
not.
I've told them I've got very tiny wrists.
Yeah.
Very tiny wrists.
And her hands aren't real big either.
Yeah, I got tiny hands too. The beady hands. So anyway, my subtotal would be $147. My rose gold rewards discount would be $7.35. If I buy all three, I do get $10 off. So my total, if I kept everything in this box, which I'm not going to do, would be $129.65. Honestly, I probably will not keep any of these pieces, but I will enjoy wearing them for a short time. It does feel a little weird that the necklace is dainty, the earrings are dainty, and then you have a big chunky bracelet. Is that a normal thing? It needs to go in there.
Okay.
He found a makeup tool and wondered why it was sitting there.
I
I
didn't
put it
know
over
what it
there
was.
because I didn't want to take it all the way to the
Oh,
bathroom.
I thought the cats had knocked it off or something and they were playing
No,
with it.
I had it over here. It's that thingy that you wipe on your face, the little ball, and it's supposed to take the oil off your face. And it was dirty, and I need to wash the ball, so I kind of just tossed it towards the bathroom. Anyway, so now that you have witnessed a little bit of the craziness in my life, that would be him.
It's all my fault. Everything's my fault. I'm used to it.
Y'all, please comment below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to me is absolutely free, so I appreciate it if you do. Also, press that share button. Send this link to somebody through your social media, just put it on your pages. Send it to text, send it to email, any way you want to send it. Cat hair. I really do appreciate. And don't forget to press the little notification bell. It does keep you up to date on what's happening on the channel. Y'all, thank you so much for spending time with me, and God bless. Well, spending time with us.